my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we have another Behind the Buttercream video where we try foods from Czech Republic.
So let's see how well this goes. Alright, so everybody knows the rules for the most part. If we say it's a delicious thing, if we like the food, we say it's delish. If we don't like the food, we say spit in a dish.
And the last time that we filmed this, we did food from Germany. Go click the card to watch that video. Yeah, that was...
Or don't, okay, don't. Okay, so you guys may have seen this brand before. We have done it in a couple other videos. No, one of our other videos.
Yeah, do you remember which one?
Yeah, the first one, the...
Bulgaria. It's orange and... Okay. It's called double because there's double filling. Vanilla flavor and orange filling.
Whoa. Okay, let's crack it open. Oh, wow.
Like the orange filling is so light compared to...
Yeah, really, both of them are really thin. Look at it. Look at mine.
No, just in color.
Oh, light in color, yeah, but I'm like talking about like it looks
Okay,
very little.
I'm just gonna go in for it. It tastes good. It tastes orange.
I'm getting a lot more bread. I'm getting a slight hint of orange and almost no vanilla. I wouldn't eat that again.
Here's a pocket of vanilla right here.
No, I had some vanilla. I just like, it just wasn't very much.
Okay, here's a fun fact about me. I like a lot of things orange flavored. Not really my soda, but a lot of candies and a lot of snacks. Even though it doesn't taste anything like an orange, I really like that flavor. I don't know why. It's like they use the same thing in all of the orange flavored candies. And I actually really like this.
Yeah.
This is a delish, in my opinion.
It's good tasting, but I would spit this in the dish. I want to eat it. I want to really eat it. All right, so do you want to do a candy bar or do you want to do the chips next and then we move on to the good stuff, which is the candy bars?
I think let's leave the chips for last. Here's the thing. I don't know what flavor these are.
It looks like a salt.
Salt flavored sounds very interesting, and we don't really know what flavor these are, except for they look like salt.
Especially since there's a big salt shaker. There's a salt shaker. There's a salt shaker.
And they're like so pale.
On the front of the bag, and that's it.
So we're gonna save these for last. Let's go ahead and have this banana candy bar.
Ooh, banana. Yep. All right.
You just took it out of my hand?
Yeah, because I want to try this. I'm a huge fan of banana, so.
They apparently eat bananas a lot there, if enough to put it in a candy bar. What the heck?
Mine broke, but.
I think you just grabbed it weirdly. Yeah, you just broke it.
Yeah. It smells like banana.
Yeah, it smells like banana. I don't really like banana. It's one of my least favorite fruits. It's like a banana marshmallow. You know those banana marshmallows? That's what it looks like.
Kind of sour.
It is.
It tastes like a weird peep that they put milk chocolate on top of it.
It's like, oh, I don't like that aftertaste. The chocolate's bad. The chocolate is bad. I've had a banana marshmallow before in something. There was a sticky banana marshmallow. That's what this is, pretty much. Coated in chocolate with some extra sourness added to it. All right, next item.
All right, do you want to do the next candy bar?
Yep.
Alrighty. So.
Extra jorge.
I wonder if that just means extra dark.
That's what I'm assuming.
Because again, we don't speak Czech.
Yep, and it's by the brand Orion.
Orion?
Yeah, it smells like a good dark chocolate.
Ooh, I'm getting eye twitch right now.
Eye twitch?
I got eye twitch.
You trying to tell a secret? I like chocolate.
I like chocolate. Anyway.
All right, I'm saving this.
Should I get the other half of this?
Nope.
Oh.
This is really good. That's really good.
It really is good. I really like this.
It's like a chocolate filling inside of it. I have chocolate on my mouth.
No, you're good.
Good. This is like a double delish, a triple delish, a mega delish. There should be a.
I wouldn't go that far. I mean,
it's the best thing we've had on the show.
It's the best thing we probably had on the show. Yeah. I mean, I would say that's a delish, like straight up.
A straight up delish. Is that like have like a little delish right here and make it move straight up?
Yeah, exactly.
Out of frame.
It goes right to heaven. That's what it is.
That's like God's favorite candy bar. His second favorite is a Snickers.
All right, so
next item.
Do you want to do the drink or do you want to do the chips now?
I think let's counteract some of our sweet stuff that we've had with some
another
of
sweet
the
drink?
With the chips.
Oh, the chip. Okay, I thought he was gonna say with another sweet drink because he was saying earlier to do the chip.
I know, but my mouth kind of wants something salty. So here, once again, are the chips. I know I've already shown you.
Because his words apparently are not salty enough.
Ouch. Let's open these up. These salt chips. It's like not even salt and vinegar chips. It's like just...
If I threw these at you, would that be called an assault chip?
That was actually really good.
Thank
That
you.
was good.
Thank you.
They smell good. I don't know what they smell familiar, but I don't know what.
They smell like homemade. I don't know. They smell really familiar. I just can't remember the smell.
Yeah. They smell...
It smells like something you would get like, I know. Okay, so you know how in like Silver City, whoever is living in Missouri or in Branson area, you guys know who Silver City is, it kind of smells like their homemade chips. That's what they do there.
I don't know. Have you already eaten it?
Actually, it's pretty interesting.
It's like hard styrofoam.
I know. Pork rind.
That's what it is.
Doesn't smell like a pork rind, and it's not as tough as a pork rind usually as when you buy them from the store. They smell like a very light pork rind. That's what they are.
I thought they would actually be more salty.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna be more salty because there's a salt shaker right in the front of it, but.
This is definitely a middle item. This is definitely a middle item for me. Not spin in a dish and not quite delish.
I don't know, I'd say delish. I'd eat these again. I mean, they're so light, they have to be healthy. You know?
Finally, the last item. The item you've been waiting for. The item that is a drink. The item that's strawberry flavor.
The item that we will get to if William stops with his long introduction. Alright, so this looks like a fruit mixture. It looks like it's gonna be apple and strawberry.
But it only has strawberries on it.
No, it has apples on it too. Over here.
Oh, okay.
It's up
Just
in the
one
corner.
apple.
Just like one apple. But,
And the brand name is Relax.
because you know, you have to relax with the fruit.
You gonna open it? This bottle's also a lot like the bottle that we got from Bulgaria. It smells like a fruit juice.
Yeah, it smells just like a fruit juice. Like, really sweet though. You can't tell. Oh, I'm in for a treat now.
First it tastes good. Like, at first it tastes really good. Then the last taste is like rotten strawberries.
No. Oh. When you actually swallow it. Oh. Wow.
Now you taste rotten strawberries.
I don't taste rotten strawberries, but I do taste something really sour.
It's like a fruit went bad.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, a
Because
fruit
it tastes good when it's
does
in
go
your
bad,
mouth. It tastes good when it's in your mouth, but once it like passes your lip, what's the old saying? Past the teeth, through the gums, look out, stomach, here it comes. Like once it goes past the teeth and through the gums, and it's going through your stomach, then your mouth's like, oh, what did I just drink?
It's like your mouth's like, this tastes good. And then it finally leaves your mouth. You're like,
And it's like, no, never mind.
It's like a bad relationship.
It's like a bad relationship.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap on this video.
Yeah, this was a really quick one.
Thanks so much for watching.
And then
Click the 2 videos on the screen. I'm gonna put them right in front of Jamal's face, hopefully. And then click the baking and buttercream icon to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below on a challenge video you want us to do in the future. And thanks for watching this Americans Try Czech Republic Foods.